I wanted to show you today a quick tutorial on how to make your own Color Magic misted paper digitally. I know you've seen Heidi Swap do numerous tutorials on making Color Magic file folders and Color Magic papers and all kinds of ink resist Color Magic projects using the Mystery Hueys or the Tattered Angels glimmer mist or any number of different spray mist products. I've thought of a way that we can make the same digital version of the Color Magic in case you don't have those items at your fingertips. What I did first was I brought in a sample to use as color samples, and this is the Heidi Swap Sugar Chic line of paper. And what I did was click on my color block and pick my colors directly from her papers. And this is a great way to match any line of papers or products that you're trying to match. And click OK. And then I clicked on the background color and I chose this pink from this paper and click OK. We can turn that layer off. We don't need it anymore. The next thing I did was create a solid white background. That's what you see here. And on top of that solid white background, I'm going to turn that off so you can see it. I made a chevron background. This is a white chevron background. When I turn the white background on top, you can't see it, but there is a pattern on top of this chevron. So on top of that layer, we're going to create a new layer. And this is the layer that we're going to do our misting on. To mist, we're going to use our brush tool, which is located right here, or you can hit B on your keyboard to open the brush tool. And I'm going to pick a brush from my collection of brushes. And these, I believe, are Nancy Rowe Janet's brushes from jessicasprague.com. And I'm going to click on it, and it simulates pretty much just like a mist. And I'm going to just start misting my paper as if I were spraying it with a Tattered Angels. And I really like this effect because it's not just a solid color, it has a lot of dimension. And we can switch brushes here and get some different looks. Make this one a little smaller, get a dark edge on there. Switch it again. Let's try this one. This really looks like a mist from a bottle. And I'm using my left bracket key to make my brush a little bit smaller. See how that puts the actual mist sprays in there, you can see. I really like that feature, and I believe that brush is from Splendid Fens. And here's another one. And you don't have to use several different brushes. You can mist it any way you'd like. And I'm just going to continue filling in the paper. If I want to do something that will really blend with those papers that I was using, the Sugar Chic line, I'll switch colors. And I'm going to add a little splotch of pink here and there. Switch brushes. And I really like these watercolor brushes. And the good thing is, if you don't like it, you can hit Control-Alt-Z and undo any squirt that you did. Just like that. Don't really like that. Okay. Let's do a couple more squirts here. Switch brushes. Oh, those are neat. All right, now you kind of see how it starts to blend into the two colors. And like I said, if you don't like it, you can Control-Alt-Z and it will delete one layer at a time. You can keep misting, you can keep switching back and forth till you get the desired effect. I'm making my brush smaller here. I'm going to go back with a little bit more. I'm going to go back with a little bit more of the, don't like that. A little bit more of the green mist, blend this edge. Now, this is the equivalent of Heidi taking a piece of paper towel and wiping her page. You're going to linger between the layer that you just misted and the layer that has your pattern on it. You're going to hold your Alt key and click and look. Isn't that neat? This is your Color Magic paper that you have just created. You see how the colors blend together? I think it's so fun. And if you decide you don't like that, you don't like, you want it all pink, you don't like the green fade, you can just target that layer, get your brush tool back out, switch back to pink, and you can keep on changing it. You can mist it some more. You just want maybe that corner to kind of fade into green. If you don't like it, you can add a little eraser, make it a little more distressed. Go back to the brush, switch brushes. It really is like blending paint and wiping it off, just as Heidi does in her Color Magic videos. Anyway, I hope you enjoy this tutorial and you have some fun making your own Color Magic paper. Thanks for watching. Bye.